Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll start to solve the problems on HRA. Mr. X who resides in Chennai. So Chennai is a state where you have to consider 50%. So just remember the word when you see Chennai, think it is 50%, okay? Get 60,000 per annum as basic salary. So for 1 year, his basic salary is 60,000. He receives 10,000 as house rent allowance. Rent paid by him is 8,000 per annum. Find out the taxable house rent allowance. So you have to take a table of 3 columns. On top, you have to write computation of taxable HRA, particulars, amount column, and amount column. First, always write the actual HRA received. The actual HRA received by him is 10,000 rupees. Least of the following is exempted. Again, we have three exemptions. First exemption is actual HRA received. Actual HRA received is 10,000. Second, we have excess of rent paid over 10% of salary. So for this, we have to find out 10% of salary. So first, let us calculate the salary. In RFA, salary is equal to basic pay plus DA entering the retirement benefit plus DP plus commission. They have given only basic pay in the question. There is no DA, DP and commission. So salary will be 60,000. We have to calculate 10% of the salary. 10% of the salary, that is 60,000 into 10%, will be 6,000 rupees. So 6,000 rupees have to be subtracted with rent paid. What is the rent paid? Rent paid is 8,000 rupees. So 8,000 minus 10% of salary. 10% of salary is 6,000. The difference will be 2,000 rupees. That is the second exemption. The third exemption, as it is a Chennai, we will consider 50% of the salary. The total salary is 60,000. 50% of 60,000 is 30,000. So we have got the three exemptions. Out of these three exemptions, whichever is less, 2,000 is less, 2,000 will be exempted. That is why it is called as least of the following will be exempted. So 2,000 will be exempted HRA. Total you have received 10,000. In that 2,000 exemption is given. The remaining 8,000 rupees is taxable HRA. So remaining 8,000 rupees is the taxable HRA. This is how we need to solve the problem on the computation of taxable HRA. Hope you have understood how to solve the problem. In my next video, I'll come back with some more problems related to HRA.